Are you a young entrepreneur with big dreams? Do you envision yourself building a successful business from the ground up? Or you're in the right place? This is Busa with Dr. Amboy Gishigi. If it's your first time in my channel, please don't forget subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. In this video today, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can explore the exciting world of insurance entrepreneurship, especially in Kenya. And together we'll uncover the steps you need to take to launch your own insurance agency. Even if you're a 23-year-old or even younger, buckle up and get ready. Take a pen and paper so that you're able to note the little details here and there. So the first step is to understand the insurance industry. So before we dive into the specifics of starting your own insurance agency, it is very crucial to grasp the fundamentals of the insurance industry itself. At its core, insurance serves as a financial safety net which protects individuals and businesses from unforeseen risk and liabilities. Insurance agencies play a very pivotal role in this ecosystem by serving intermediaries between insurance company and their clients. They will facilitate the purchase of insurance policies and also provide expert guidance on coverage options, and they will assist you with claims processing when the need arises. The next step that we need to look for is gaining relevant experience, because you cannot start a business if you have zero experience on that field, unless you have a lot of money to put into that business and employ the right people. But in this case, it's very good to have some experience so that you're able to maneuver through your business. Building a solid foundation in the insurance industry begins with hand-on experience. It is very important to have some experience in any field that you feel like you should be starting a business on. So whether you are assisting your clients with policy selection, whether you are analyzing risk factors, or even delivering into the intricacies of insurance regulations, every moment you spend in this field will contribute to your growth as a future insurance entrepreneur. So you need to consider opportunities for internship. Take an internship in an insurance company, could be even entry-level position, to just know how this whole company works. Also, you can take mentorship programs from your employer where you have taken a internship opportunity, so that you're able to gain valuable insights and also harness your skills in the dynamic world of insurance. The third step I want to talk about is choosing your path, which is partnering with an existing agency. The reason as to why I am choosing this path of partnering with existing agency is because starting your own company is very expensive, very expensive. So if you don't have the money, of course, as a 23-year-old, I do not expect that you have like 5 million or even more in just a bank account for you waiting to start this business. So but if you're invested and you have a lot of capital, or you have someone who can give you this amount of money, which is a lot, you can go there opening your whole company. But for this case, I am choosing as partnering with an existing agency because it's a bit affordable for a young person. Also, partnering with a reputable agency can already provide you with invaluable resources. It will give you mentorship, and also it will give you brand recognition because you're partnering with a company that is already known. You will be leveraging the infrastructure and expertise of an established agency. This will help you fast track your path to success and also mitigate many risks which are associated with starting a new venture. The fourth step I want us to talk about is meeting the licensing and the permit requirement. As you all know, in any country, you cannot start a business before you meet the licensing and the permit requirement. So what do you need to start an insurance agency? What kind of permits and licenses do you need? So in Kenya, before operating any insurance agency, you're required to obtain several licenses and permits to ensure that you comply with the industry standards and legal requirements. This could be from agent registration with an insurance regulatory authority or IRA, which will help you secure your business permits from local authorities. And each step is very essential for establishing your agency legitimacy and credibility in the market, especially because you're dealing with people's money. Like, people are trusting you with their money, so it is very important that you build this legitimacy and credibility in the market when you're starting. And there is no better way to do this than making sure that you're registered and people can say this is a registered company with the relevant authorities. This cost varies a lot depending on the type of insurance product you want to sell and also the associated fee. But typically, the registration fee for individual agent is relevantly affordable compared to the cost associated with starting a totally new agency. The second license I want to talk about is business registration. If needed, this will cost around 10,650. There is the professional indemnity insurance, which typically varies from 50,000 to 200,000 annually. There is tax registration, which is free, just you registering with KRA. Then there is the business permit, will vary between 5,000 to 50,000 Kenya shillings annually. There is NSSF and HIF registration, which is free. There is data protection compliance. This cost varies depending on the compliance costs. So with the regulatory groundwork in place and we have obtained our licenses, it's good to pay attention on how we are securing the necessary capital to fuel our venture. This could be you tapping into your personal savings if you have enough saving. It could also you seeking investment from angel investors. There are a lot of people who are looking to invest in Kenya, so you could leverage in that. And also it could be exploring crowdfunding platforms. They exist. So in short, there are multiple avenues for raising the capital needed to start your agency operation. If you'd want me to talk about how you can be able to get these angel investors, or probably how to explore crowdfunding platforms, I can do a video on it. Let me know on the comment section. But yes, there's a lot of ways you can raise your capital. It could be even taking a loan from the bank. For this kind of business, we are looking from 100,000 to 500,000. With that amount, you're able to start your own insurance agency. So you can also even ask your family. If you have family members you think they would want to invest in a business, or they can be able to give you this amount of money, but with around 100,000 to 500,000, you'll be able to start your own insurance agency. The next step, which is step number 6, let's talk about the projected revenue and profit. Of course, we are starting a business because we want to make some money. So what are the projected revenue and profits in this kind of a business? So it is very necessary to project revenue and profit based on the market research and industrial benchmarks so that you're able to gain invaluable insights into the growth potential of your business. So let's keep in mind factors such as market demand, competitive pricing strategies, and also operational efficiency, which will play a very significant role in determining your agency financial performance. We need to set realistic goals and also continuously monitor the progress so that we are well positioned to achieve sustainable profitability and also long-term success in the insurance industry. So for this kind of a business, the projected revenue will be around 500,000 to 1 million. This will depend with the starting capital. Did you start with 100,000? Or did you start with 500,000? But your range will be around 500,000 to 1 million annually. From the projected revenue, the projected profit will be around 200,000 to 400,000 annually. So per year you projecting around 200,000 to 400,000. But the more you invest in your business and the more it grows, the more money you will make. Let's move on to the next step, which is step number 7. In every single business, there are challenges but every challenge has a solution. So let's talk about the challenges that you'll face in this kind of a business and also the solutions to those problems. Starting an insurance agency comes with challenges, especially in low-income countries like Kenya. But here are a couple of them that we can be able to tackle in this video. Number one is low client base, because not a lot of people who are investing in insurances. So building a client base will take time. It will need you to practice a lot of patience and consistency. The solution to this problem is you to offer competitive rates and excellent customer service, because when a customer feels that they were served well, the possibility of them recommending you or coming back for another type of insurance in your agency is very easy. The second problem that you will face in this type of a business is regulatory handles. Navigating the regulation and getting those permits will not be easy, but it's doable. Stay very informed and compliant with the local law. The third problem will be market competition. The market is a bit crowded, but there's space for everyone. So just find your niche and offer specialized services and offer the best customer service. In this way, you'll be able to deal with the competition in the market, and also your marketing strategy will also matter a lot. This will help you be able to tackle this challenge in this market. And as we conclude our journey into the world of insurance entrepreneurship, I hope you feel empowered and inspired to pursue your dreams with passion and purpose. Starting an insurance agency in Kenya as a 23-year-old may seem daunting. It may seem very difficult and not even doable, but with the right mindset, skills, and support, it's entirely within reach. Remember, success rarely comes easy, but with dedication, perseverance, and willingness to learn from both triumphs and setbacks, you'll be able to overcome any obstacles and achieve greatness. Also remember, the first step to failure of any business is not starting at all. So make the right step by starting your business, and it will grow eventually. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you're able to get invaluable insights and guidance on your journey to success. Until next time, stay driven, stay determined, and stay inspired. Goodbye.